Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's just me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track unit out of a 1967 Ford Galaxie 500. That's the same car I did the last video on, but the radio is totally different. This one has an 8-track. Customer has requested the modern internal FM conversion with the greatly increased output power. Also, he requested Bluetooth, USB, and 8 in the HD radio feature. So we're going to turn this radio on and make sure it works before we send her back. So let's turn her on. I've got to keep the stations extremely quick because of copyright ridiculousness on YouTube's part. So let's go ahead and turn her on. Just going to run down. I've got it set to FM at the moment, so we're just going to run down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM.
It did not happen in that regard.
Ex-Kendi.
This is something that everyone...
No. Where you're listening right now.
Jacobson, who said in his...
Stop until the show was here. Conversation at 928-443-5000.
They don't want the media to know.
Well, I can't believe
Okay, so we picked up quite a few FM stations there. Let's go to AM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on. We get one strong AM station in this area. Off, on. Now we're on AM.
Volunteer at Citizens for Free Speech.
Okay, there's our strong analog AM station. And while we're on here, let's demonstrate the balance control. Need our output level mirrors. Turn our balance all the way to the right, all the way to the left, right, left.
And you can gain access to
Alrighty, let's activate the virtual front rear fader.
Local activist website, which is a social media.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance.
Depend on the donations of our members to do this. We don't want to deny anybody access because
let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode, which we do by giving the volume control 2 turns to the right.
Want to really get
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. And of course, I don't do all that on the videos. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating it's working. Let's try the USB. I got my radio commercial right here. Make sure it starts playing when I plug it in.
Changed my life.
Okay, pull that out. Radio comes back, and last thing to check is the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka. It's in a different case now. It's in a Jim Reeve case because the post that supports the roller broke in the old case, so I just transferred it to the new case. Neil Sedaka. Okay, gonna switch tracks a bunch of times.
You're the one I've waited for. Go out and gather a few.
Okay, we're on a blank spot there, so we'll skip over that.
It's a star-spangled world when your flags are on your train or chugging down the track. Know that I'm gonna beat you to my prayer in the air.
Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes right back on. Okay, let's check the dial light, which you probably won't be able to see, but I can see it. There you go. Here's our dial light. Okay, that's it. And thank you very much for your business, Scott. And thank you guys for watching and listening. You've just seen what I can do to an ancient car AM radio. We can add Bluetooth, USB, aux input, HD radio, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to do business with me. So thanks so much for watching and listening. My website is in the description below. And my phone number, this is not a number to call looking for a belt, parts, or free repair advice. Those are not available here. My phone number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only is 928-533-9666. Thanks for watching and listening, folks. See you next time.